Okay, the highlights from Monday's chat room trading session at greatstockpicks.com. How many videos have you seen us make that has this look to it? 5-minute candles grinding down all day and then goes into this shape. Whenever I see that, I pretty much put everything on hold and using a method that I don't want to say we perfected, but we're getting pretty good at, called Endp here at 40.29. I'll show you the next candle. The low of this candle was 40.11. We called it at 40.29 on the way back up here. These are 5-minute candles with a stop at 40.10. So not a bad risk reward. 19 cents a share risk there, and we got a move. Doesn't look like much compared to the big sell-off, but we got a move of almost $1. It went to 41.24. So 95-cent move in our favor on 19 cents risk. I love these intraday bottom feeding plays. Like I said, I put everything on hold when I find one. By the way, that was thanks to Alan from our chat room that spotted it, and then I turned on the projector and kind of walked everybody through the trade idea. But just another example of teamwork in the chat room, because I didn't see it and Alan pointed it out, said, yep, that looks good. So we followed that one, had a real nice afternoon trade there. RCL, Royal Caribbean, looked like it was breaking down on the daily yesterday. And then today gapped up a little, and since it held this sell-off and came back up, I called it over this 2-candle high right here with a stop right here. I'll give you the numbers. 39.25 was the long idea with a stop 16 cents below that never got hit. And from 39.25 went up to 39.90 at one point. So another nice trade there. Even CNQ at the late in the day, I called right here. Now it's not much. I was projecting this one as well, kind of like that ENDP. Called it over this candle, 47.26. You can see it's at 47.65. Only a couple minutes left in the session. So, and some other small ones. GMO called at 580 right here as it was coming up. Worst case stop about a dime below, and it doesn't look like much either, but it went to 608, which is a nice percentage move on a $5.80 stock. 28-cent move. So another little money maker there. TIE, we had a trade in. I called TIE at 1873, somewhere right around in here. Could be off a little bit. 1873, stop at 1861. So a nice tight stop. Didn't quite come up and get through the high of the day. I was hoping it would, but from 1873, still made it to 1904. Certainly a profitable trade there. And that's the highlights from the day. I'm not going to babble too long here. I think that's all of the big ones we had, and really there was only a few calls today altogether. I expect volume to pick up after Alcoa reports after the bell. I think the rest of the week we should have more volume than we've been dealing with lately, but still a pretty good day. So we'll talk to you later. I'll make another wrap-up video tomorrow night from Tuesday's chat room trading session, and we're kind of getting back into the one free pick a week thing instead of Twitter. Now I may supplement that with Twitter as far as how we're handling the trade that we send out, but one night this week we'll also send out a free pick. So all right, until then, we'll talk to you later.